Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game currency on the Euro Truck Simulator 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Euro Truck Simulator 2 game on your device, and after you are taken into the home page, go ahead and click on Options. Now from the Options page, if you wish to change the currency that is used within your game to display your earnings, then click on Interface. From the Interface section, within Regional Settings, you will see various options. Make sure not to change any other and simply go into Displayed Currency. You can then click on the drop-down menu and choose from the various different currencies that are available. Go ahead and click on whichever you wish, and now this will be applied to your game right away. You can come back to this menu at any point of time if you once again wish to change your in-game currency. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the currency that is used within the game on Euro Truck Simulator 2. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.